All right, it's Corvette day. Let's take another ride in the Corvette today, Gary.
All right. This one's got no top on it. What?
Yep, we're topless. Nobody wants to see that.
That would be bad. There's a thought I'll never get out of my head.
So this was a 1966 Corvette Stingray Roadster. It originally was a 350 horsepower car, according to the tachometer and a few things we found out.
Yep.
It has a replacement 327 motor in it. Back in the day, somebody probably blew it up, so it's non-matching, but it is a 327. It's got a 4-speed, it's got power 4-wheel disc brakes, it's got manual steering. It does have the telescopic steering wheel, kind of a cool option. The gauges look like they're all working and everything too.
Yep, and the shifter, they got a Hurst, it's got a lot narrower gate than the
oh yeah, look at that.
Shifter. Yeah.
I forgot about that. A little tighter, huh?
Yeah, a little tighter. Performance.
It's got power windows, nice dark blue metallic color. It's not the original color for the car, but this is a driver. This is something that you can hop in and go. You don't have to worry about hurting the value of it by, you know, hurting the original engine or something like that. It's a little less money than the rest of them are. It's got a blue canvas soft top on it. It's a little tight, doesn't really close good, so this may be included with the price, maybe a brand new soft top, so it works right. Maybe black like it's supposed to be. It's got the teak wheel,
good.
Power windows. The car does get and go. I mean, it's whatever they did to the motor, it runs real strong.
Yep, got good oil pressure.
It's got the real knockoff wheels with a little lead mallet. I mean, those suckers nowadays are $3-4 grand for originals. They reproduce them, but these are the real deal. Woo! Looks pretty good, huh?
Oh yeah. I didn't even get on it all the way.
I forgot to put my seatbelt on.
We don't need those things. Overrated.
I'd rather be ejected.
Yep.
All right, coming up for some pictures here. All right, here's a nice 1966 Corvette Roadster Stingray. It's got a nice dark blue metallic finish to it. Real knockoff wheels with the little mallet that holds them on. A little scary, but that's how they work. This one's got blue license plates, which came out in the early 70s, so it's been in California at least that long. Probably its whole life, but I can't tell you for sure. This one started life as a 327 350 horse mechanical or a hydraulic lifter car, but the motor's long gone. It's got a 327 in it. It was replaced a long time ago, one of those 327 crate motors from Chevrolet, probably back in the 70s or 80s. Everything fits real nice on the body, pretty good shape. All the headlights work and the tack and all the goodies. 4-wheel power disc brakes. We just rebuilt the master on it. It's the original, they're unique master cylinder. It's only like a 1.5 year master. But power disc brakes is nice, especially all the way around. Late 60s had that. It's got black bucket seat interior. Nice shape. Got a teak steering wheel, telescopic, pulls out. It's got a AM, FM factory radio in there. As Gary said earlier, it's got like a closer ratio shifter in there, like a short shift. Nice interior. Nice door panels. Overall, a really good looking car. And driving. Here's the power plant in the 66 Corvette Roadster. A nice healthy little 327. Runs out real good. It's got a couple of updated things in there. Got a chrome alternator and chrome fan. Got the nice aluminum valve covers on there, with the factory sheathing over the top of the distributor. Original air cleaner. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. Runs nice and smooth. The thing gets and goes. Show you the other side. Got the ram's horn exhaust manifolds like it's supposed to have. Pretty cool looking little car. The exhaust comes out the tail end back here, right out the valance. Got a nice little rumble to it. It's got new mufflers on it. We did a little service work for this customer in the past and kept it running good for him, but really nice car overall. If you want to come see it in person, come out and see us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313, and you can speak to Gary that's sitting in the car over there, or me, Rich. Thanks for watching.